For this project today, you will need a piece of paper, some colored pencils, crayons, markers, or paint. I'm probably going to use paint, but whatever you have is fine. And you're going to want to use a black Sharpie if you have it. If you don't have a black Sharpie, I would recommend getting one from the Dollar Tree during the next week or so if you can. If not, use a black crayon. But since I have a Sharpie, I'm going to go ahead and use the Sharpie. So those are your materials for today. Let's go ahead and dive into our project. So today we are talking about the element of line, and we are simply going to have just some fun drawing random different lines and filling up our paper with them. You always want to start on one edge of your paper and make sure it goes off whatever edge you are drawing to. For instance, I'm going to start off with a diagonal line. So you can see I started at one edge of the paper and I went off the other edge of the paper. Now I think I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I'm going to start at one edge of the paper and go all the way across to the other. Next, I think I might add a vertical line. So again, start at the one part of your paper and run it to the other edge. Now those are just very simple lines, but we know that there's lots and lots of different lines. There's wavy and zigzag and curly and graceful and dotted lines and polka dot lines. So what I want you to do is I want you to be really creative with the lines that you add, and I want you to add all those different lines all over your paper. I'm going to go ahead and do this in high speed, and you can take a look. All right, I filled my paper with lines. I think I might do one more line, and let's see, I think I'll just do kind of a wavy line. Now you can see that these lines have created different spaces and weird looking shapes on our paper. So what you are going to do now is you're going to color in those shapes. You're going to add color to your work. And again, like I said, you can use paints if you have them. That might be the most fun. If you don't have paints, I do believe that we've ordered some for you all, and they should be coming in a couple weeks, I hope. Otherwise, you can use markers or crayons or colored pencils, whatever you would like. I'm going to go ahead and paint mine in high speed, and I'll let you take a look at it in a minute. You might consider this kind of art abstract because it's not realistic, it's just fun. We were just playing around with lines and having a good time. So now we're gonna have a good time adding color to our project. Here we go. So here you can see my finished line project that is colored in, or painted in my case. Anyway, so this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to take your time, color or paint in those lines nice and neat. Have fun with it, and you'll notice something fun about this project. It doesn't matter what way you hold it. You can hold it any way that you want. There's no right or wrong way. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this kind of fun and silly line project. Please remember to click the button above. Just scroll up on this page up above, and there is that little green button with the orange paint can in it. Click on that. That will take you directly to the art wall where you can upload a picture of your masterpiece. I can't wait to see what you do, and until next time, bye.